If you want to pass the EF set quiz, this video is for you. Watch the video about variant number 2. Practice using the direct link to Kumi.com. Answer each question and get feedback.
Mike down the stairs in order to catch the last bus home. 1. Urged. 2. Sped up. 3. Pushed. 4. Hurried. Before he could start applying for jobs, he needed to his resume. 1. Back up. 2. Fill in. 3. Inform. 4. Update. She decided she wanted to a few extra pounds and started a diet. 1. Throw away. 2. Get rid of. 3. Dispose of. 4. Leave off. He was hungry and asked her if she wanted to a bite. 1. Grab. 2. Grasp. 3. Grip. 4. Seize. She him her favorite movie for a week so he could watch it. 1. Borrowed. 2. Loaned. 3. Donated. 4. Delivered. Who is the baby for you? 1. Noticing. 2. Minding. 3. Observing. 4. Regarding. It is certainly true that was not one of his aspirations, but after his novel became an international bestseller he had to adjust to public attention. 1. Rank. 2. Position. 3. Status. 4. Fame. She never had many friends her own age because she could not figure out how to kids her own age. 1. Drop in on. 2. Go along. 3. Fit in with. 4. Pretend to be. Not surprisingly, her open and friendly demeanor made it easy for potential new clients to her and ask for assistance. 1. Attempt. 2. Draw near. 3. Move toward. 4. Approach. In many less developed countries, visitors often observe much more on the sides of roads than isn't typically seen in Europe or the US. 1. Fragments. 2. Disorder. 3. Litter. 4. Residues.
Now, it's time to check the results of each question and verify the answers. The indicators help identify if the answer is correct or wrong. The correct answer is to identify with a green tag. When your answer is incorrect, a red tag shows, and the correct answer is identified with a tag with green text and border. Remember that you can see more details about the images by clicking on See on Amazon, and at the same time, get more vocabulary. If you want to practice this quiz, access Kumi.com and search for it by typing EF set and clicking on Play Alone, or access directed with the link shown on the screen.